One sentence destroyed my confidence that your job can be done by AI, not in 10 years, not in the future, right now. Programmers, testers, content writers, and support engineers, everyone is scared. People who spent years in learning suddenly feel replaceable. But today, I will tell you something nobody on YouTube tells you. AI is not destroying IT jobs, it's destroying weak IT skills. And in this video, I will show you which jobs are dying and which jobs are growing and how you can survive, even win in this AI era. Hello everyone, welcome to the DevOps Traveler. I have seen both the sides of this industry, the struggles to enter IT and the pressure to survive inside the IT. That's why this topic about AI and the jobs are extremely important. Today, when the people hear about AI, they are panic. Will I lose my job? Is IT is finished? Should I even enter this field? So let me give you the truth. No hype, no fear, just reality. So AI is not robot that comes and steal your job. AI is like super fast internet that never sleeps. Earlier, one developer wrote 100 lines of code. Now AI write 80 and a developer fixes 20. Earlier, one tester tested 50 cases. Now AI tests 40 automatically. So what happened? Companies think, why do I need 10 people when 4 people plus AI can do the same thing? That's why hiring is slow, layoffs are happening, and freshers are struggling. The IT industry is growing, but the type of work inside IT is changing. Be honest with yourself. These roles are shrinking very fast. Manual testers, data entry jobs, simple support jobs, repetitive coding, and basic website designing. If your job is just a copy pasting or run the same thing every day, AI can replace you. It's very painful, but reality. Now listen carefully. AI does not run by magic. It needs servers, cloud, pipeline, security, deployment, and scaling. That's where the real jobs are moving. To be frank, these roles are booming. Cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, Kubernetes engineer, platform engineer, and security engineer. ChatGPT does not live on air. It runs on Azure, AWS, Kubernetes, containers, and CI/CD pipelines. And that is where the money is moving. Many people think I am from MBA, BA, BCom, and I am too late. But actually no. AI made degrees less important and skills are very important. Companies don't care about your certificates, but they care about this. Can you deploy apps? Can you manage servers? Can you handle server systems? And that's why DevOps and cloud is gold. I am a living example from finance to IT. Not because I was brilliant, but because I learned the right skills. If you are a fresher or scared IT employee, do this. Learn Linux, learn AWS or Azure, learn Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD concepts. These skills make you the person who controls the system, not the one who replaced by them. AI can write the code, but it cannot run the production systems. Let me tell you something honestly, fear is normal. Even I was scared too after 100 interview rejections. But IT is not dying, old IT is dying. New IT world is being born. Cloud, DevOps, automation, AI infrastructure. If you move with it, you won't lose your job. You will earn more than ever. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to the DevOps Traveler. Because I show the real path, not fake motivation. See you in the next video. Thank you.